Hello, I'm Curt Doty with RealmIQ. We're here promoting our RealmIQ sessions with some excerpts for LinkedIn. In this session, I'm talking with Hailey Wilson, fairy godmother of AI and founder of AI Impact. Let's listen in.
And that was right at the time of we started seeing ChatGPT everywhere and Midjourney. And I realized after playing with ChatGPT for maybe 30 minutes, I realized, oh, this is changing everything. This is going to change the whole world. And so thank you, God. You've kind of put me into this amazing crossroads. I can take my expertise of the technical and scary and make it be something that is easy to understand, which is what I think is so needed. So I've taken that.
Thank you for
Yeah.
that. And just, on the communication side, I think there are scary elements, as we've certainly talked about in length, about AI. And so how do you combat that? And I think there definitely needs to be a better communication strategy. I've been on this ban robot imagery as it relates to AI, which supports that narrative of dystopian doom. And again, I have not met any robots in my interactions with all this software. It is software, people.
That's
And
right.
so I think that's one communication piece that I'm trying to do from visual perspective. I'm a brander, so it's like I'm an image maker for brands, and so I think the brand of AI has a problem. But continue telling us about some of your new ventures now that you are fully
Yeah.
an entrepreneur.
Well, my original goal was to become an AI expert and quickly realized that was not the right goal. It wasn't so much that there aren't great experts out there, but AI is so new and so nascent without actually going in and getting a PhD and knowing the stuff that how LLM works and all of that. You really couldn't call yourself specifically an AI expert. And where I actually saw the value for me, I like people. I don't know if you can tell that, but I kind of like talking to people. So I wanted to take that little bit of genius, my genius, and apply that. And I saw people like you, Curt, who I very comfortably say you're an AI expert, not necessarily in terms of being able to understand all of the coding, but being able to use AI in expert ways. Because let's not forget that AI is a tool. It can empower you or it can hobble you depending on how you use it. And so I am so excited to see the work that you're doing and that your team are doing to not only fix the PR problem with AI, but actually show the power of how to use it. So kudos to you, man. I think that's awesome. And that's why we created Impact,
Yes.
which Impact is a virtual event. Our first official Impact 2023 event will be November 7th, 8th, and 9th. It's a 3-day event, totally virtual. Don't have to put your shoes on to travel for that one, which is great. And we have 50 plus speakers. Each day has a theme. And the whole point of that is to ease the transition for people and professionals, businesses, entrepreneurs who really need to start learning this technology. If you touch a computer, I very confidently stake my own reputation on it that in 2 years' time, the way that you interact with those computers, the way we interact with those computers are going to be completely different from the way that we see them today. So the horse has left the barn.
Yes.
Cry about the
Leave it out
horse
of the
leaving the barn,
bottle. Yeah.
right? But I'm not a person who likes to be sad about things. Let's find a way to fix it. Let's shine a light on it and figure out a way to deal with it. So that's why I created Impact, because I think bringing the smart people in the room, people with the best intentions, people building these tools, the people who are going to be using them, and let's bridge that so that they can serve each other's needs. Because at the end of the day, Impact is ultimately a community. That's what we are. We're
Yeah.
an event, but we're a community.
Yeah. And being part of that community, I have found that people are extremely generous and supportive, something I really never found in the Web3 community that I was in for a couple years. We all know where that ended up.
Mm.
Big fat zero. Hope you didn't buy any NFTs.
Oops.
Uh, But hey, I got a JPEG to sell you if you want to pay me $1 million. I
Oh
got
my
plenty of
gosh.
JPEGs. In any case, yeah, I'm thankful for what you're doing, and everything that you're saying is spot on. And thank goodness for people like you. There's been as you know, a proliferation of, I don't know, AI universities, real universities offering AI certificates,
And all this stuff.
all at great costs, from $3,000 to $10,000. And I think the bandwagon of trying to immediately monetize this was not helpful, because it put up a
Correct.
price barrier when we needed to remove um, the scare factor and increase the adoption factor. Our slogan is adopt or perish. Not to be that fatalistic, but
But it's the
uh,
reality.
it is reality. And how do you lower these impasses so that people can embrace it and learn and not be intimidated? And I think your conference that I'm happy to be part of is
I'm
hopefully
happy.
going to achieve a lot of that. Thanks for joining. Keep looking for more Realm IQ sessions on our website and in your LinkedIn feed.